Hey everybody, do me a big favor this time while you're here. Like us, follow us, subscribe to us. Why? Because we're getting ready to do something that nobody's done yet in the window screen industry. We are going to create a national website that has every screen dealer who wants to be part of it. Their name, their number, their address, their city, their state. We're going to do it from coast to coast. And it will be absolutely free. But what we're hoping here is to get all of us dealers or all of us people who do screens from coast to coast to be able to help each other out when someone, say, in Miami needs a solar screen, but you're in San Diego. Or maybe up in Detroit and you're in Chicago. Doesn't matter. Do me a favor, think about this, send us your information, info at Window Screen MFG. Basically, that's manufacturers, but we just kind of shortened it because even I sometimes spell manufacturers wrong. Info at windowscreenmfg.com. Send us your name, your business name, your address, phone number, or keep your address to yourself. It's okay. I know that even for us, we're mostly a mobile business here in the Houston area. So our address, we keep that quiet just so we don't have folks showing up with a ripped screen at 2 a.m. Can you fix it? No, it's 2 o'clock. I'm trying to sleep. Come on. Well, anyway, let's get back to it. If you're interested in it, shoot us that message. Woo! After all we're going to do is just make it a little bit easier for anyone and everyone to be able to replace that ripped up, torn up window screen, solar screen, pet screen, doesn't matter. Woo! Let's make it right. Give us a follow. Woo! Yeah!